a very warm welcome to everyone watching the special bulletin of DPS Mahendragarh News, where learning meets leadership and every day becomes a celebration of growth and excellence.
Absolutely. The month of December 2025 was nothing short of spectacular at Delhi Public School Mahendragarh. From academic brilliance and creative expression to value-based learning and joyful celebrations, our campus was buzzing with energy and enthusiasm.
So sit back, relax, and join us as we take you through a vibrant journey of achievements, activities, and unforgettable moments from this exciting month.
2nd December, a powerful and purposeful beginning. We begin the month on a note of pride and inspiration. Lakshay Saini of class 6th A made the school proud by earning accolades in karate and kho-kho, showcasing discipline, dedication, and sportsmanship.
Such achievements not only bring glory to the school but also motivate fellow students to pursue excellence in sports alongside academics.
On the same day, students across various classes actively participated in an environmental habits activity where they learned simple yet powerful ways to protect nature, like saving water, reducing waste, and keeping surroundings clean. 4th December, values, vision, and vocations. The spirit of patriotism filled the air as pre-nursery students celebrated Indian Navy Day, learning about the brave sailors who protect our nation's seas.
LKG students participated in a thoughtful good and bad habits activity where they learned essential life values such as honesty, kindness, and discipline through stories and role play.
Class 2nd students turned into young entrepreneurs during the market activity, understanding buying, selling, and basic financial skills through interactive role play.
Meanwhile, class 3rd students enhanced their financial literacy through a money management activity, learning how to save, spend wisely, and understand the value of money.
5th December, learning with joy. LKG students strengthened their focus and attention through a fun-filled concentration building activity designed to improve observation and listening skills. Nursery students also participated in a meaningful food waste awareness initiative, understanding why food should be respected and never wasted.
6th December, science comes alive. Young scientists of UKG explored the magic of attraction and repulsion during the magnetism activity, discovering how magnets work in real life.
At the same time, nursery students enjoyed the jump on the number activity, blending physical movement with number learning in a joyful way. 9th December, honoring excellence. One of the most awaited events of the month, the academic prize distribution ceremony of session 2024-25 celebrated the hard work and dedication of students from class 2nd to 11th.
The ceremony encouraged students to strive for excellence and reinforced the value of consistent effort and perseverance. 11th December, Road Safety First. LKG students participated enthusiastically in the traffic light activity, learning road safety rules and the importance of discipline while on the road.
15th December, knowledge, values, and awareness. Pre-nursery students practiced politeness through the magical words activity, learning to say please, sorry, and thank you with confidence.
A highly informative cybercrime awareness workshop was conducted by IT teacher Mr. Deepak, sensitizing students about online threats, cyber safety, and responsible digital behavior.
UKG students explored scientific concepts of sink and float activity, while nursery students reinforced good manners through the 5 magical words activity.
16th December, Patriotism and Performance. Pre-primary students celebrated Vijay Divas, honoring the courage and sacrifice of our brave soldiers.
The inter-house Hindi drama competition brought the stage alive as students from class 5th to 10th showcased exceptional acting skills and powerful storytelling. December 18th, Word Power. UKG students enhanced vocabulary and confidence through an engaging word making activity.
20th December, Learning by Doing. Nursery students practiced backward counting, strengthening number concepts in a playful way.
Class 5th students measured real life objects during the practical mathematics activity and also explored the concepts of static energy, making science interactive and fun.
23rd December, Pride and Awareness. The school proudly honored its National Karate Championship winners Pushkal, Puneet, Yashvi, Ruhansh, Karthik, Namya, and Siddharth for their outstanding achievements.
A powerful drug awareness program was organized for classes 8th to 12th, educating students about the dangers of substance abuse and promoting healthy choices.
24th December, Festive Finale. Music filled the air during the inter-house music competition, where students showcased their talent and confidence. Christmas celebrations brought smiles and joy across the campus, with fun-filled activities for students from pre-nursery to class 5th. 26th December, Learning through Play. Nursery students enjoyed a balance activity, enhancing coordination and body control.
They also learned about the uses of water, understanding its importance in daily life.
27th December, Grand Conclusion. The month concluded with an engaging debate on environment versus development, conducted by class 7th students, encouraging critical thinking and awareness of sustainable development.
Closing segment. December truly reflected the spirit of holistic education at Delhi Public School Mahendragarh, where learning goes beyond textbooks.
With dedication from teachers, enthusiasm from students, and support from parents, our school continues to grow, inspire, and excel. This is DPS Mahendragarh, signing off. Keep learning, keep dreaming, and keep shining bright.